Chris Johnson back here to show you something amazing. This is a way to make a coin magically appear. And this one looks best if you're looking down on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a different camera shot so you can see my hands, how this is supposed to look. And then I'll teach it to you too. Check this out. Now there's a coin there. The way this works is very, very simple. You put the coin between your first finger and your thumb like this. It's called a thumb clip by magicians. Hold the hand palm down so nobody can see the coin. You want to put all your attention on the hand where the coin is going to magically appear like this. Like in my case, the coin is going to reappear inside my left hand. The coin is hidden in my right hand right now, but you can do it any way you want. So my right hand is open. This hand comes by, and I'm going to touch my my right pinky finger against my first fingertips like this. When I do that, I make sure that all my angles are hidden. So I touch it like this, this hand opens, and when I come back with this hand, I make sure that the pinky of my right hand touches my left fingers again. So like this, like this, like this. I didn't do that all that well. I opened up this finger too much, you can see it. Let me do that again. And like this, pull this hand away, and the coin is there. Now what I did was as these fingers closed, I let go of the coin like this. Oops, and it just hit the floor. Let me get that. So making sure that this hand is almost completely over this hand, you're making sure that nobody can see the coin being dropped in. So again, you're starting off with the coin right here, like this, take away this hand, snap the fingers, show the coin is there. It's a really fun way to make a coin disappear. It's a fun way to make a coin appear. And then using the French drop taught elsewhere in these videos, you can make a coin disappear. So have fun with it.